Hey guys, I'm doing an unboxing of these toys of Minecraft minifingers and this one. I actually have two of them. Some of them I already have. Okay. I'm gonna open this one up. It's gonna be hard. I'm gonna open them both. Oh wait. Oh, it's gonna be hard. Actually, I'm gonna do a video of minifigures series. I have a lot of them, but I'm not going to show you. Oh my! It's hard. Almost. And they got this. Now these are here are the minifigures. Okay. This is the Guardian that is Peach. This is the Guardian, not a pocket edition, only computer. It has one eye, like a fish. Look at this. Just like that. It has like spiky things and stuff. And look at the eye. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show you something. Oh, okay. Like one I don't know where I got this, but I went to a place that had toys and books, and I found this skeleton that I wanted to buy. My grandma brought my toys. And the next one is gonna be the bunny. It's so fast to fall off. There's the brown bunny. There's a color bunny, but there's the brown one. It has a little tail, super tiny. Like this. The next one is this one. What's it called? It's called Sneaking Creeper. Here's the Sneaking Creeper. I have it too. I have it already, but okay. The next package is gonna be this one. It has Alex and other things, so I can read. Oh my! It has Alex with diamond armor, zombie at door, and together with a pumpkin helmet or head. So let's open this up. Actually, let's open this with another way. There's gonna be a way to open this. There's no other way to open it. Sorry. Let's open this. Let's get it. I'm not on my desk, there's no sharing my desk. I don't know why. These are the minifigures. Okay, let's open Alex. That's gonna be hard. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What the? Where did it go? Can you guys see where Alex? Oh my! Look at guys, Alex is super weird. Look at guys. If you guys can see it. Look, he fell out. Let me fix the camera. He fell all the way in the square. This is how it looks like. It looks like pink or purple armor. But okay, it's supposed to be enchanted though. But which enchanted armor diamond or what? Next one is going to be the skeleton with the helmet, the pumpkin helmet, I think. That was easy. It looks like this, with a little arrow. The last one is zombie at door. And this is the door. It looks like that. Okay, guys. This is the last final thing left. Before I do this, I'm going to go away my strap. I want to show you something epic. Oh my. I need to get it open. Where is it? Is this the... Yeah, it's the recording. I wanted to say something. Where is it? Do it last step. And there. So, I didn't find it, but I found this. I got this. is a mistake. Goodbye. Yay!